Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Joshua Casper here with Loopcloud at NAMM 2020, giving an exclusive first look of the newest version of Loopcloud. It's not out yet, but it's coming out real soon to my good friend over at the Bedroom Producer blog. So I'm going to show you right now some of the brand new features that are coming up. But before we do that, let me just run you through what Loopcloud is. And if I'm not sure the last time you guys checked it out, but we're up to version 5.0 right now. And instead of just one track, you can now have up to 8 different loops samples running at any one time. It's essentially a DAW at this point. We've got built-in effects now. You can see right here if I click the effects edit button, we've got a number of built-in effects. And in fact, coming up in version 5.1, we have a brand new grain stretch effect right here as well. So let me go ahead and throw this on this clip right here. Go ahead and solo it, and just so you guys can hear what's going on. So as you can see, a really cool effect. Going to get a lot of good ideas coming from there. Go ahead and delete that for now. Now, some other really great new features of the newest version of Loopcloud that's coming out very soon are we now have tabbed results for different searches and other different things you're doing inside of the program. It's just going to open up a new tag, essentially like a history bar, so you can go back or keep things open. Like I have open here a search for a vocal in A minor right around the BPM of my track. So it's easy to jump back in there and find maybe a different vocal, a different lead, a different backing track, whatever we're looking for. So let me go ahead and try a few of these out. Okay, so for something like this particular track, having this vocal search open here has really led me to this backing track right here. It's a male vocal that sits really well with the female vocals we've already got going. And of course, I can always come back later on and switch it up if I need to. Now, some other really cool features that we've added that were a big request from some of the community was being able to drag and drop all of the different tracks at once separately into your DAW. So I'll show you how to do that now. So here I am inside of Ableton Live, and if I want to drag in my process or original versions of either one at a time, or if I want to drag them all, I can just hold down Alt, click and drag, and you can see here inside of Ableton Live, I've actually dragged in each one of those tracks, ready, looped, perfectly synced in time with my project and ready to go. Now I can start processing with any of my plugins inside of my DAW. And that kind of brings me to my next point. Loopcloud Drum and Loopcloud Play, both plugins that are synced with the Loopcloud store, have been getting updates as well, and we're really happy to show you the newest updates to Loopcloud Drum, which is going to be a part of 5.1 in Loopcloud. In fact, both of the standalone VSTs will be right inside of the exe or DMG file, whatever you're going to be using. It will just get loaded right into your computer. You'll have it right at your fingertips right off the bat. You can now import any tracks from Loopcloud into any of the drum slots. You can also export any of the drums or actually any of the loops if you want as well. You can make stems very easily. And now you can actually go ahead and save or change patterns, muted pads, parameters, and or effects. So I've got a nice little Moomba pattern here, but maybe I want to check that pattern out on some of the other drum kits. All I need to do at this point is click pattern to bypass it. I'm going to click the mutes to save the mutes, and we can go ahead and keep parameters and effects switching to the new drum kit. So all I need to do is click over right here, and now I have my Moomba pattern on a different drum kit that's inside of Loopcloud Drum. So these features were heavily requested, and we're happy to have implemented them, and they're coming out real soon.